Welcome to our guide for installing your EdgeCam license offline. Follow these easy steps to complete the process. Step 1. Click on Managers at the top menu. Then at the drop-down, select License Manager. Step 2. Click on Install License. Step 3. Choose the option Use License File. Step 4. On the right side, select the option to open our Documents file. Step 5. Locate and select the relevant CLS file from your documents. Step 6. Click Next. This process may take some time, so please be patient. Step 7. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. And that's it. Your EdgeCam license is now installed and ready to use. Thank you for choosing EdgeCam.